Denner Leiten Spitz this way, Plodden Runnen der Weg that way. Except that could be a really cool spot to take a picture. Let's go up there and take a picture. Yep, definitely Plodden Denner Runnen der Weg. That's exactly where we need to be going. Crow walk training. Oh no.
Turn around, back. Wrong way. Outside, this is a forced way. Wood way. No, just down.
Down.
This is not the official way. Okay. Thank you. Sorry.
Verboten. Man, that was really shaping up to be an epic photo spot. Hi.
We went up the road to that way, and the guy in the tractor that just went down, he like got out and started yelling.
Oh ja, das ist geschadet. Sie sind gefahren und dann ist ausgestiegen und hat es gleich zusammengeschossen aus dem Traktor.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we know that guy.
Yeah. He was okay, but he's like, "What are you doing?" And I was like, sorry.
We don't know.
We don't know what we're doing. We asked some people, and they said it was okay to go to Radmer, like on the motorbike.
Radmer auf gar keinen Fall von Drogen.
But other people told us that like motorcycles and dirt roads, it has to be on asphalt, only asphalt, no dirt roads. If we're on dirt roads, it's forbidden.
Ja, du kannst nirgends einfach fahren, oder nur Asphalt.
Es gibt ja Forststraßen, aber die ist verboten.
Ja genau, die Forststraßen ist also forbidden.
Yeah.
Totally forbidden.
Yeah.
Totally
yeah.
forbidden.
Yeah. Sorry.
That's okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah,
Nice to meet
thank
you
you.
too. Bye.
I'll follow you. Just go start honking. Oh yeah. Dude, look at the guy beside you, he's overheating so long.
Waiting for the start of the race. Starts in, got about a half an hour to go. Things went pretty all right. I didn't qualify. I'm pretty bummed about that, but
I always knew coming here that it was going to be an adventure, and I knew that that was a pretty strong possibility. My motocross skills are not very good, and that deficiency really shined yesterday and the day before. So yeah, so I get to spectate. The first day I was seated like 548, so I was just kind of on the bubble of potentially maybe being able to get into the top 500. I felt like I rode better yesterday than the first day, but the time didn't show that, and I actually went, I think 6 seconds slower the second day, and I got bumped by another about 50 people, and I think I ended up like 598, and you got to be in the top 500 to race today, so here we are.
Here we are, first guy up, Trim's coming in. Number 5.
Ist auch er ein 5-Times-Champion. Das Red Bull Erzberg. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of Red Bull 2019,
It's been amazing. I always figured that I would kind of come and do this and it'd be a one and done thing, and you know, for the last 12 hours since they released the results of the prologue, all I've thought about is how I can up my moto game and come back again in 12 months and see if I can qualify to race the race and go through the misery with everybody else. But the whole trip has been amazing. The country's beautiful. KTM's hospitality has been second to none, letting us use motorcycles. The Airbnb that we got has been fantastic. I can't say enough good things about the trip. All in all, it was a total success. you know, and it probably is maybe a little bit of a blessing in disguise that I didn't qualify. So, you know, the trip couldn't be classified as perfect. So, leaves me with a little bit of taste in my mouth, and, you know, kind of a little hungry to want to come back and see if I can do it, a little more challenging.